For a summer house like the Jannie, which features both an enclosed area and also a canopy, we will send you a nice chunky post to support the corner of the canopy where there are no walls. We send the posts oversized to allow for any variation in base heights. This does mean you'll have to cut the post to the right size, as well as drill the hole required for the metal anchor to connect it to the base. To mark the correct location for the drill hole, I'm going to use a straight edge and a pen to draw diagonal lines corner to corner on the end grain of the post, which will give me my center spot. Now I've found the center point at the bottom of the post, I need to assess what size drill bit I'll need to make the hole. If we take a look at the metal anchor, you'll see it consists of 2 metal plates and 2 bolts. The part that goes inside the post will be the top part where the plate is not fixed. I need to make the hole big enough to fit the bolt that's on the top of the frame. To assess the size needed, I'll grab a spade bit and I'll offer it up against the bolt and visually check to make sure it's going to be big enough for the thread to go inside the post.